Are cockroaches driving you crazy? Don't worry. With just one incredibly cheap ingredient readily available in every kitchen, ginger, you can send them flying away forever. Have you ever experienced this feeling? Being in the middle of a delicious meal when a cockroach suddenly crawls across the kitchen counter? Or stepping into the bathroom and finding them lurking in a corner, sending shivers down your spine? Spraying insecticides, hanging scented sachets, using insect repellent devices, all are useless because the cockroaches remain stubborn, defying all your efforts. But today, I'm going to reveal an extremely simple, non-toxic, inexpensive, and surprisingly effective trick. Just try it once, and the cockroaches will run away in terror and never dare come back again. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Let's get started. First, prepare a fresh ginger root. Rinse the ginger under running water. Next, place the prepared ginger on a clean cutting board. You can slice it thinly with a knife or crush it with the back of the knife. Don't be lazy at this step. Slicing will help release more of the spicy juice from the ginger through the cut surface. Crushing ginger breaks down its cellular structure, allowing for the release of more allicin and other volatile pungent compounds. Next, finely chop it. During this process, you will smell a strong, pungent odor. This is a sign that the ginger is starting to work its insect-repelling properties. The more thoroughly the ginger is prepared, the more effective it is at repelling cockroaches. Then place all the ginger on a clean plate. 3 to 5 milliliters of dish soap. And add water. The surfactants in dish soap destroy the protective oil layer on the cockroach's body, causing them to dehydrate quickly, as well as paralyze and poison them. Once both ingredients are ready, add enough hot water to the bowl and stir well. The hot water temperature will help release the spicy compounds in the ginger more effectively, while also completely dissolving the dishwashing liquid, allowing the two ingredients to work together more powerfully. After stirring well, remember to cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap and let it soak for 20 minutes. During this time, the pungent compounds from the ginger continue to seep into the water and fully mix with the active ingredients of the dishwashing liquid. After soaking, it's ready to use. If you have a small spray bottle, simply filter the solution and pour it into the bottle for convenient and precise spraying. Alternatively, use a clean, empty plastic bottle, pour in the solution, and poke a few small holes in the cap, and you'll have a simple cockroach repellent spray. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Focus the spray on corners of the kitchen where cockroaches often hide, such as the gaps between cabinets and the floor. These are damp, dark places with standing water, making them ideal nesting sites for cockroaches. They usually hide here during the day and come out to forage at night, especially in storage areas inside cabinets, which often harbor cockroach eggs and larvae. Thorough spraying is essential. The drain pipes under the sink and the area around the drain are always damp and may contain leftover food, which also needs to be addressed. The dark, damp environment, coupled with the hidden food source, makes this a safe haven for cockroaches. After thorough spraying, the solution will penetrate deep into the crevices. When cockroaches crawl over it, contact with allicin and the detergent will gradually cause them to lose their ability to move, leaving them with no chance of survival. After thorough spraying, the solution will penetrate deep into the crevices. When cockroaches crawl over it, contact with allicin and the detergent will gradually cause them to lose their ability to move, leaving them with no chance of survival. When cockroaches run through the sprayed area, the protective layer of fat on their bodies is destroyed, causing them to quickly dehydrate and die gradually under the continuous effect of the solution, blocking their foraging route. Don't forget the trash can either. The inside and outside of the trash can often get covered in leftover food and dirty water, easily attracting flies that will swarm the house. In particular, the gaps between the bottom and sides of the trash can are where cockroaches congregate. Don't overlook the bottom of the can. Spray repeatedly to ensure the solution covers all hiding places. When cockroaches crawl through this area, the pungent smell of ginger will stimulate their nerves, while the dish soap will be toxic, causing them to die quickly. Combining the dual power of ginger and dish soap creates a protective net, leaving cockroaches with nowhere to hide. If you're worried about the solution spraying all over the house, making a greasy mess, there's a gentler alternative. Prepare a clean bowl. Add a little baking soda. The reason baking soda can kill cockroaches is due to its chemical properties. Cockroaches' digestive systems cannot break down baking soda. When ingested, baking soda reacts with stomach acid, producing a large amount of CO2 gas, causing the cockroach's intestines to swell and burst. This is a safe, effective, and pet-friendly physical method of killing. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of white sugar. The sugar acts as a bait. Next, add half a teaspoon of detergent powder and mix all three thoroughly. Cockroaches are extremely sensitive to sweetness. The smell of sugar will lure them to eat, causing them to lower their guard. The detergents and alkalis in laundry powder both increase the killing effect and destroy the protective oil layer on their bodies, causing the cockroaches to dehydrate. The powder form makes the mixture sticky, allowing cockroaches to carry it back to their nest, and other cockroaches in the nest can also become infected by eating or licking each other. Mix baking soda, sugar, and laundry detergent thoroughly to form a white paste. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Place in a small dish. Then place the traps in places where cockroaches often appear, in the corners of cabinets, under the stove, next to the trash can. Cockroaches are attracted by the sweet smell of sugar and will either eat it or carry it back to their nest. When swallowed, a rapid gas reaction occurs in the body, which, combined with the effect of the detergent, causes them to die in a short time. The powder is then carried back to the nest and used to kill other birds. Another way to get rid of cockroaches in your home is to make an effective cockroach trap yourself with just a beer can and a plastic bottle without using harmful chemicals. First, prepare a plastic bottle or glass jar. If using a plastic bottle, cut off the top, about 1/3 of the way from the mouth. Then, flip the cut section over and place it inside the bottle to form a funnel. Next, pour a sufficient amount of beer into the bottom of the bottle, about 2 to 3 centimeters. You can add a little sugar to enhance the aroma. Once completed, place the trap in areas where cockroaches frequently appear, such as kitchen corners, under cabinets, near drains, or behind the refrigerator. The smell of beer will attract cockroaches to crawl inside. Once inside, due to the slippery bottle and funnel-shaped design, it will be very difficult for the cockroaches to crawl back out. To increase effectiveness, you should set the traps in the evening, as this is when cockroaches are most active. If there is a large cockroach infestation, place multiple traps in different locations. Also, replace the beer every 1 to 2 days to ensure the scent remains attractive enough. This method is simple, economical, and safe because it doesn't use harmful chemicals. After just a few days, the number of cockroaches will significantly decrease. Remember to keep your kitchen clean to prevent them from returning. With just a little ingenuity and a few readily available household items, you can create a safe, odorless, non-toxic, and highly effective way to get rid of cockroaches. Have you learned how to make a ginger spray solution and a baking soda trap, or a cooking oil trap to kill cockroaches today? If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, follow, and share this cockroach extermination tip with your friends. I will continue to share more useful tips in the next installment. See you soon.